YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tiara and Hershey Eats Good. I'm back with another video, guys. Yes, and today I'm doing another deshelled boil. If y'all can see, I have some king crab in there. I have eggs, I have mussels, I have some jumbo shrimp, and today, y'all, I have some corn. Yep, I had to do it. There's a few videos that I watched of some mukbang, some deshelled boils, and they had corn and it just was looking so good. I was like, you know what? I usually don't eat corn, but I am today. So yes, that's everything in my deshelled boil. I have some cucumbers here. I have some lemon here on the side. Also today, y'all, want to shout out my good friend, Miss Dominique Diamond. She made me this tumbler cup with my name on it. Isn't this so cute, guys? I love my new cup. And also, y'all, today I'm trying the cranberry bubbly. I haven't tried that one yet, so I wanted to see how that one was. So yeah, let me just give y'all the little sound effects. My mic is over here, guys. That's why I'm pouring it over on this side. Smells good. It's kind of bland. Usually, like, the fruit taste is like, you know, very potent. It's not that potent. It smells good, but it's okay. I got some pineapple ones in the back. So anyway, y'all, listen, y'all, the break has been great, you know, from school and everything like that, but today has been a day. So I do apologize if my spirits don't seem as bubbly and as lively as they usually do. And I'm not going to fake it and act like I'm all chipper and stuff like that, you know, because, you know, honestly, y'all, bring the real when I do come on this camera. But despite, I'm still going to make a video because I wanted to get a video out to you guys. I also wanted to do a deshelled boil. But hopefully as the day goes by, it'll get better. Because, you know, I can't make it seem like every time I come on here, I'm always good. Today I'm okay, you know. But despite, I will get through. So I'm gonna get started. It's so much going on in here, y'all. So what I did after I heated up the sauce, I just poured it all over everything. So it's like all the good stuff that's at the bottom is on top. Happy New Year, y'all. I don't know how I didn't think of that, but I don't really be thinking about holidays and stuff, but it is 2021. Today will be the third day. Well, when I'm recording today is the third day. I might see this another day, but we are in a new year. Y'all see these shrimp? These big. I got them from Costco. They jumbo. Look at that. Let me just put a little bit of lemon rain all over everything. Before I forget, because I know me, I will forget. Got some of that knuckle meat all through in there. Also, y'all, I think it's raining outside, so y'all might hear that. Without a soundproof room, y'all might hear a lot of noises, okay? because I live in a high-rise apartment, so where I record is near my balcony. Because anywhere else in the house, it's not gonna be quiet enough. It's really good. I don't know if I'm gonna get down to the muscles. Everything on top here. So how many of y'all started y'all year off with y'all resolutions? I didn't. I mean, I'm always wanting to do bigger and better. The first of the year doesn't need to come for me to think like that. I'm always on a mission to level my life up in whatever way I can. So I'm just always just trying to work on areas that could use improvement. And because we are imperfect people, there's always room for improvement. Oh yeah. Let me get this corn. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's sweet. That is so good. Until I have not had corn in like forever. And it's not that I don't like it. I like corn, but bit my lip. This is really good. I just try not to eat it as much because it's like starchy and so sweet, you know. Not that I don't eat other bad stuff, but where I can eliminate. Sorry, y'all. Where I can eliminate certain bad things, I just do. Like rice. That is another major weakness for me. But dealing with sugar issues, rice, the pastas, potatoes, breads, all that stuff becomes your nemesis, like your enemy for real. Ooh, excuse me. So I try my best, and I say I try because sometimes I still indulge, but sorry, I had shell on it. I try to limit the noodle eating to the videos. I try, but they be so good. And like rice and stuff, I do better with like not eating that as much. I have done better. Oh, look at that onion. I just want that onion. Yo, when I was making this sauce, right, I had the onions in the pan. And I burnt some of the onions. But no food wasted around here. You think them burnt onions ain't right in the sauce? They are. Burnt and delicious. I mean, you really can't taste them. But the sauce, you know, is so good, like you can't really. I'm probably gonna see something. Let me show y'all. Like y'all think I'm playing or I'm lying. I'm not. Hold up. See that? That little onion right there, it's a little burnt. I thought you was gonna taste it, like the burnt flavor. You don't. Sauce still tastes bomb. Still tastes good. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look, y'all. Look at that. That is a big old chunk of meat right there. Just a chunk of. And these shell boil. You do all the work beforehand and just enjoy the fruits of your labor. I like her. But I think leaving the shell on sometimes those sounds can be you know, can be what they are. Or as far as like some people liking to hear like the cracking of the shell and stuff like that. Ooh. Ooh. I uncovered an egg, y'all. One. But anyway, I hope y'all had a safe New Year's Eve. I hope everything is going well for y'all. Don't worry about me, though. I will be fine. I will. Some days you just have bad days, you know? That's life. But I don't ever want to come and sit and eat with y'all when I'm not feeling that the best and act like I am. I'm going to just keep it 100 with y'all. You know? Because I know. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. I know bad days are temporary. They come, they go. And they are a part of who we are, you know? It just is what it is. I will say though, this food is bringing me quite joy. It may not appear so, but I guarantee you I'm dancing on the inside. I really am. Ooh, look y'all, my egg got a cup. See the little cup? When it boiled, it had that little cup right there. So when you dip it, it fill up with stuff. Delicious. That's a big boy right there. Him big. Big and meaty. I'm trying to take this tail shell off of there. My other corn, I only had 2, y'all, just 2, because I know I don't be trying to put so much. I put mostly what I know I can eat, and then the rest I give to my kids because they like that too. So I hate them little corn fibers, little heads. That's so juicy. I feel like something's on my chin. You know, sometimes even when you eat the kernels off, you can just stick it back in the sauce and just suck the sauce off the car. It's good. It's kind of like when you eat like a chicken bone or something, or chicken, and the bone still got that flavor. Kind of like the same thing. Sorry, y'all. This is messy eating today. Good. That is really good. Trying to get my shirt messed up. So far, so good. Surprisingly. Oh, these daggone mussels, man, they be breaking. I will never buy the frozen ones again, y'all. They have to be fresh from now on. It was like all broken. Mainly. See a shrimp in the front of this. Okay, there you go. I'm using the camera to assist me, y'all. For 2021, I want y'all to know that sometimes it's okay to not be okay. It happens. We're not perfect, and we shouldn't act like it. We shouldn't pretend or, you know, make it seem like things don't bother us, because they do. And it's okay. It will be okay. For me, I'm just at a point where I'm just about being bluntly honest about doing what I want to do and not what I feel like I should do to appease anyone. It's about just, you know, improving my mental, improving my spirit, improving my health, you know, improving my relationships with my kids, with my husband. Like, it's just, for me, it's just leveling up in every aspect. That's always what I want to do, whether it's 2021 or 2025, you know. And it's not to reach perfection. It's just to, you know, constantly work on those areas that can use improvement, because we know perfection is unattainable. But I read somewhere that you can't reach perfection, but you can catch excellence trying to get there. So I'm just, that's where my mind is, y'all. I just want to be better every day. See any more shrimp anywhere? Any more shrimp anywhere? I think shrimp be my favorite. They really do. I think one of these days I'm just gonna do a shrimp boil. Just the shrimp. I mean, king crab is good, don't get me wrong. But I wouldn't say it's my favorite. Shrimp though, I always gotta have the shrimp. All the time. So I would dare to say that is my favorite. And I'm gonna leave some of the king crab in here for my kids too, y'all. That's why I'm just doing now. The shrimp, they, you know, but the king crab is big enough and enough that I can. And the mussels, they like mussels too. They okay. Yeah, the shrimp is my favorite. Plus I'm getting full. That's what I'm saying. Yo, this corn does not play. Like, it will put, and I didn't even eat that much. I think it was like 7 shrimp in here, I think. Something like that. So I didn't even eat that much as far as like the seafood and stuff, you know. It was good nonetheless though. But I'm about to stop it here. I have come to the place where I know limits. Okay, this is the place where if I keep going, I'm gonna be miserable. Luckily, it's kind of early in the day, so, and I wanted to do this early in the day so that way I wouldn't be eating this heavy so late, because I'm trying to get back into a good place with being active as far as like exercising and eating like between like a 11 to 6 type of time period. And I'm only doing that because that has worked for me at one point in my life. So, and I've gained quarantine weight like we all have, but it is time to shed quarantine weight. Okay. But thank y'all for stopping by. Thank y'all for hearing me out, you know. Thank y'all for just being there for me when I'm needing somebody to talk to real fast. You know what I mean? I appreciate y'all's time. And just, you know, just thank you for the support that y'all are giving me. I really do appreciate it. So if you happen to come across this video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that little bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. Also, make sure you like and share this video with everyone. And until the next time I see y'all, make sure you're taking care of your mind. Make sure you're taking care of your heart and your soul. But until next time, I appreciate y'all.